is going to sing Bob Chilcott's The Advent Candle. The Advent Candle, it's set to poetry by Charles Bennett, and I think it just helps us remind us that behind the glitz and the glamour of Christmas, there is actually a rather simple message. So it starts, when tonight we are lighting a candle to burn until you come to bring light to the darkness. And that kind of just sets us up to remind us why we celebrate Advent and what's going to come at Christmas time. You can see. Okay, so I think the cantor at the beginning was going to be the ladies.